Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How many of you missed me? Like, nobody missed me. It's been a minute anyway on my channel. Welcome back to my joyful zone. So I'm the queen of this space, guys. It's been a long time. I've been waiting to do this, to come back to my channel and make videos, make content. Okay, somebody's here. She said I should carry her. Okay, say hi, guys. I just took a shower quickly. Go and watch your cartoon. Okay, I will see you. I want to cook. Like, I just had a shower, but I'm still sweating. Like, I'm sweating. So I will open the door. I'm still sweating. I don't know what is going on. Don't follow. Guys, I've missed you all. I'm short of words. I'm kind of excited to start up my content again because everyone has been asking me. Some people, not just everyone, they've been asking me like, where have you been? We are waiting. You don't want to make content again or what? I will. A lot is going on. I'm having watermelon, chilled watermelon. So people say it's rude to eat and be talking on camera. People understand me and I understand you. You love me and I love you too. 101%. Guys, like you can see the excitement on my face. Don't worry, I will give you guys the reason why my face has been off and on. So to God be the glory, I just submitted my thesis. That's for those who don't know. I'm running the master's program in the UK and it's coming to an end. That's actually come to an end, but not official yet. So I just submitted my thesis. Yeah, to God be the glory. So I'm free now to make content and edit. Okay. So I'm going to be making vegetable soup today for my fam. Okay, for my family. It's like one challenging thing I find, for people, for myself as a new migrant to the UK is the food. But one way or the other, we still manage to eat our Nigerian food. Probably Nigerian, we still manage to bring those food to the table. So we know in Nigeria, if you want to make vegetable soup, you need to use water leaf and ugu. Luckily, we have ugu here. There's water leaf as well. But you have to book before you get this thing. But alternatively, for water leaf, I use spinach. So my husband helped me went to the market, the African shop, and we got some, baby spinach around. We like all the baby spinach, mature spinach. And then he has helped me to slice the ugu. This is my fresh ugu pumpkin leaf. So I'll quickly prepare vegetable soup for my people. My husband stepped out to do one or two things before he comes back. I think food should be ready. So the next clip you'll be seeing in this video is the cooking process. Okay, stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you at the end of my vegetable soup. Peace. Thumbnail. Oh. All right, guys, catch you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.